Welcome to our channel and welcome to another stock analysis video. Today, pag-uusapan natin yung tatlong stock na napili ko for the week. And kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko and you find the channel helpful with your trading journey, malaking bagay yung pag-like mo and pag-subscribe. So let us start with the video. First off, I am using weekly time frame, moving averages, support and resistance levels sa pag-identify ko ng mga trade. So, simulan natin muna sa PSE index. So, PSE is now below our moving averages, which is not so good news para sa ating mga traders. Although good thing sa last candle nito, it respected the support level or support range within the 66,000 level. Ito, like, nirespect na itong range na to as the support. So, critical yung level na to up to the 5,800 to here. 5,800. And 'pag itong level na 'to is nabutas, possible next support natin is sa may 500, 700 up to 5,500 level range. Dito banda. Yan yung next magiging support range natin. With the current situation sa Middle East and yung effect nito globally, medyo hindi magiging maganda 'to para sa economy ng bansa natin, and this may reflect sa mga pagbaba ng general market natin. With this market, the best way we could do is to stay in the sidelines, especially if wala ka pang nabibili, and wait for sign of recovery. Sabi nga, cash is king, and sa mga ganitong panahon, hopefully hindi na mas maging malala yung situation globally kasi malaki-laki yung magiging impact nito sa atin, especially to us na ordinaryong mamamayang tao. So let's proceed with our stocks for the week. First on our list is ACR, Asons Consolidated Resources. So, ACR is one of the stock na nagpakitang gilas. Although hindi maganda yung weekly closing niya this week kasi makikita natin dito. Ayan, malaki yung dinrop niya. Malaking line. Then, the candles are above the moving averages, meaning bullish yung stock nito. Although, what we wanted to see with ACR is magkaroon muna ito ng sideways move or range muna above the moving average. To gain strong momentum bago mag-attempt na mag-breakout. So, resistance nito would be the 0.08 around here. Point zero resistance nito is the 0.880 level, and breaking this level would give a sign of potential bullish trend. Then para sa support naman, I would plot my support level dito sa 20-day MA or around the 0.56 level. Ayan, so mga 5.56 level would be my resistance level. Ayan, makikita natin na 'pag bumaba si ACR sa level na 'to, ayaw natin siya makita na bumaba sa level na 'to. Otherwise, it only means na hindi na magma-materialize yung attempt nito towards going bullish, and 'pag bumaba siya dito kaya mas maganda makita natin siya magkaroon na muna ng sideways move dito, magkaroon ng consolidation as it attempts to break the 0.80 level, range level, itong range level. So, breakout niya 'to and potentially 'yan magkakaroon siya ng run 'pag na-break niya 'to, 'yan. Second on our list is APL or Apollo Global Capital. So, APL, titingnan natin yung moving average niya medyo dikit. So, APL is now slightly above sa moving averages natin, and yung last candle niya nag-close siya sa doji, meaning traders of this stock is not yet decided which direction they would wanted the stock to go. So, short-term resistance for me with APL is the 0.008. Ito siya banda, 0.008 ito. Yan. Initial resistance. Then, ito yung level na kailangan ma-break ni APL to gain momentum. Then after this level, ang susunod is the point 10 level naman around dito. Yan, ito yung susunod na next resistance level na kailangan niyang ma-break. After ma-break niya 'tong initial resistance natin, ito yung susunod na resistance na kailangan niyang ma-breakdown naman. So 'pag na-reach niyo yung mga level na ito, I could say na the stock is worth adding sa watchlist natin or meron siyang potential na mag-perform. So, pero aside from the key levels, you also need to consider the volume and yung traders ng stock na 'to to ensure na hindi siya illiquid kasi if illiquid yung stock, mas madali siyang bumaba and mas mahirap siyang i-trade. So, historically may tendency na pumutok si APL. Yan, kasi kung makikita natin dito yan sa history niya, yan ito. Dito sa previous historical level niya and nagkaroon ng biglang breakout and possibly biglang pumutok siya dito. So, may tendency na magkaroon ng massive movement si APL. Although yun medyo may, galawang basura sa APL kaya you need to be extra cautious if you are trading this stock. Eh, kasi kung makikita niyo dito ayan oh, manninipis lang yung ano niya movement niya. So, kung nakabili ka sa taas and hindi ka nakapagbenta, eh, medyo matatagalan ka maka-exit. So, you need to be extra cautious when trading APL. Last on our list is SGP, Synergy Grid and Development Philippines. So, si SGP naman, it's showing sign of uptrend stocks as we see yung trend ng mga candles are above the moving averages. And magsimula rito, above na siya sa mga moving averages natin. So, leaning towards din 'tong level ni SGP, towards the 52-week high, which is a good sign na this stock is performing based from its technical formation. So, sa mga ganitong formation, what I usually do is follow trend yung stock, using the 20-day MA. So, we could say na dito sa previous, breakout niya dito sa 20-day MA yung good entry niya. Then, ang possible next good entry nito is dito nung na-breakout niya yung box na 'to. Ito yung next possible good entry niya. So, these are my high probability entry points. This one, itong breakout dito at saka itong breakout dito. Yan yung mga magagandang entry ni SGP. So, SGP could be the next stock in line or stocks na magandang tignan kasi may mataas na chance na magkaroon ng uptrend momentum si SGP especially sa nature of business niya and with what happening in the world. So, energy sector, renewable energy. So, yung business niya malaki yung possibility na mag-boom or yung industry niya especially today we are facing some oil crisis. Kaya SJP would be the one of the company that may benefit from it. Pero yun titingnan natin, let's see how this would turn out sa mga darating pang mga araw. So, these are my 3 stocks for this video. If may request kayo na stock na you would like to be featured, just comment lang and we will do a video for it. And if nakaabot ka sa part nito ng video, comment kung taga saan ka para malaman natin kung hanggang saan na ba inaabot yung video natin. And maraming salamat and see you sa susunod na video.